Hello, everyone. Uh, I'm Rafael Farra. I am here to present my final project for WDD231 course. I enjoyed working in this project a lot, and let's get started then. As you can see, we click here in the final project, and this is my project. It's called Sabor de Casa. It's a web page for showing recipes from all the world, mostly in these Latin American recipes. This first part, this is the landing page. I am showing here the most popular recipes section, and I am showing here the three recipes, random recipes um, uh, from the data that I have performing here. These are rendered from a file that I created to share this one. As you can see, this is recipes. This is all the JSON files containing all the recipes with the objects that I am showing here. If we go here and we go to this section, the network, and I refresh the page, you can see those are the calls, and this is the recipes JSON that I'm receiving. This is the JSON that I'm getting from here, and then I am put the information in this section. In the code, this is handled in the index JSON file by this function. This is an async function, fetch recipes, and this is the fetch API to get the data, the information from data recipes. That is my file containing the data I need to load. After this information is loaded, fetch, then this is the pick top recipes method that handles that array and select three recipes from that array to show in the main page. So those three are get randomly. As you can see, every time I refresh a page, they are showing randomly way. Then we see here the recipes page. In this recipes page, I list all the information that I got from the recipes file or data I get from the file where I store the JSON. I get that information and I can see the details. All these details are selected from that information that I said. From this information, I am showing a part of it. If I want to get the details, all the information, I go to view details. In the view details page, I am showing a bunch more information in different sections. This is my title, author, and this is time. This information I get from here, from this. Then there's a section for cooking instructions with the tips clearly defined, and there's a cultural history, it's a piece of info, and there are the section for ingredients. How this works? This works in the recipe details JSON file. There are two methods that are working fine here. This one is an async method with a try catch block that handles the information. It gets the information from, I receive an ID. You can see here an ID of the recipe that I need to show. And then I try to find that ID in the recipes JSON in my data that I have. If I found it, I return the information and it's handled by other method. If not, if the response is not okay, I don't get anything, any information at all. This is handled also by this method. It's called load recipe details. This method is in charge of loading the information. And if I have a block here, a conditional, if I don't get any information there, then I show an error or something here stating that I couldn't find that ID, and then I will redirect to the recipes page after that, and then the redirection is done here in this part. If I got information, there's several methods that are in charge to load all this information into the different sections here in this part. Those are methods that are in charge of doing that part and loading and showing the information this way. Well, that's all my presentations, how I implemented the page and how I implemented the try catch block and the use of the fetch API method to provide information for my page. Thank you very much. And I hope this presentation has been of your knowledge. Thank you very much.